Okay, this is a short video for Carl and Nyman on secants and tangents. So first of all, the secant is an average rate of change. Let's say you've been asked, what is the rate of change of this curve graph at x is 5? So what you could do is take 2 points either side of it, like x is 3 and x is 7. So there's those 2 points, there and there. And then you just join those 2 points up with a line, and that line, you say, gives you a slope that's kind of like the slope of the curve at that point. It's kind of close approximation to it. So you just literally use those 2 points and just do a rate of change being vertical change 4 minus 1 over the horizontal change 7 minus 3. So you approximate the slope here as 3/4. That is different to a tangent, because a tangent is an instantaneous rate of change, not an average. So a tangent, I would say, instead of 2 points, I will just draw a dotted line that touches the curve at this point here. You can see it's probably going to produce a similar, very similar kind of answer, but not always. Anyway, the point is that this tangent here just touches the curve, and then you'll just have to sort of make a triangle and find where it goes through a couple of points. I'm going to pick a point there, I'm going to form a triangle there, and yeah, it's a bit rough, but I guess there. So the triangle I'm forming is going to be actually 8, 4, and 4, 1. So when I come in to do my instantaneous rate of change using a tangent, I'm actually going to use the points 8, 4 and 4, 1. If I do a slope calculation with that, don't forget that this is the point on the left. This should be x1, y1, and you've got x2, y2, and do 4 minus 1 vertical change divided by horizontal change. And you can see in this case, when you do your tangent calculation using a different 2 points, you do actually get the same slope as you'd expect. That's not always going to be the case, but the technique is basically secants are taking 2 points on the curve, right? Average rate of change from 2 points that are on this curve. Tangent is make a line touching the curve. This line has to be about the same sort of steepness of the curve. You just kind of do it by eye, make it the same angle, and then you create your triangle. And you can see these 2 points from a tangent are not on the curve, and that's the difference between secant and tangent.